Hey, what's up, guys? It's Red Sox fan 0295. It's been a while. I just broke a box of 2013 Bowman Jumbo Hobby, and kind of sucked, to be honest. The break wasn't that great, but doing a little recap. So, first we have here's like a pile of all the chromes, all the prospect chromes. The reason why the Red Sox is on top is because I'm a Red Sox fan. So there's that. Here are all the rookie cards that came in it: Dylan Bundy, Brock Holt, and so those are all for sale. As a lot, or I could go individual and look at what your favorite players are and search if I have those. Here's a stack of the I guess the prospect cards. But yeah, there's that. And the inserts were, I've got these minis of Gary Sanchez, Blake Snell, Jairo Barris, making sure I don't have Ronnie Rodriguez, Carlos Sanchez, and Lucas Giolito, I think is how you pronounce it. Probably botched that. Those were the mini inserts or refractors. Here were the numbered inserts. BJ Upton has a little nick, orange, and that is numbered 33 out of 250. Next, we have a David Price blue insert. Awful at recording on this. I just downloaded this app. It is numbered 491 out of 500. Next is a AJ Przinsky blue. And that is numbered 442 out of 500. So those were the numbered inserts, and I guess the ice, I don't know what they call these. I have a William Cuevas. I have a Torrey Hunter. Trevor Bauer. And then I don't know what these were. It's a refractor reprint, I guess, of the Josh Hamilton rookie card, but it's not a real one. Then we have a Tim Lincecum. It's a blue refractor, but it doesn't say any numbering, I don't think. Nope. We have a 81 of the top 100 prospects of what's his name? Hack Julie. And then Austin Hedges, 89. And then I guess the best refractor was a Taylor Scott blue refractor, numbered 171 out of 250. So if anyone's interested in that, hit me up. Had a redemption. Christian Betancourt, Chrome Auto. It's for the Braves. Hasn't been redeemed yet. So that is for sale if anyone wants it. I may redeem it, may not. Patrick Kivlahan, Chrome Auto. Third baseman for the Mariners. He was drafted in the 4th round last year. He has really good numbers. 301 average, 12 home runs, 52 RBIs. So that's actually pretty good. And then probably my best hit was the Darren Ruff auto. And these are on card, I believe. On card auto, I believe. So that's my break. Wasn't good, but I guess it could have been a little bit worse somehow. So the main hits: Patrick Kivlahan, Darren Ruff, Christian Betancourt, and the Taylor Scott blue refractor. So if you're interested in any of these, hit me up, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. And also, before I end this, I have a Zach Wheeler Elite Auto, if anyone is interested in buying it. Numbered out of 744, 119 out of 744. So that is it. Red Sox fan is out. Peace.